Hello, I'm Scott with Shoms Photography, and today I'm going to talk about the Good Samaritan, the Hellboy gun. I needed a big hand cannon for a photo shoot. And though I have tons of guns, none of them were as big as the Hellboy gun. So I went online to go look for the Good Samaritan. Came across JensReplicas on Etsy. She was selling the Good Samaritan as a kit. It's a 3D printed kit, but she sells it as a kit. She sells it in two different sizes. There's the small one, and then there's the movie size one, which it's this. This thing's humongous. Again, it's a 600 cal. So I bought the model kit version, put it together, sanded it, painted it, got it all prepped up. And then I started looking at over the parts, and I was like, well, this little piece was missing. The hammer itself was missing off the trigger. Or not the trigger, but the hammer. And then the pin, if we want to call it that. And then this piece here was the wrong size. It was for the small one that she sent me. Contacted her. Bam. She had that sucker back. She mailed them out to me. No time flat. When I got this gun, this was bubble wrapped in pieces, and it was perfectly packed. It was well packed. She takes care of her customers. She wants to make sure her customers are happy and nothing arrives broken. So there's a few mods that I want to do to this that doesn't come with this kit. I want to put the spring in here, and I want to put the spring in here. And I was thinking about actually installing the lever. It goes in between here, so when you pull this, it actually goes like that. When this piece goes on, it normally comes with a little piece of filament that slides through this little hole here in the back, and it slides through there and it holds it together. I didn't like the filament, so I actually just went to my toolbox and grabbed a screw out. Again, I don't know what kind of screw it is, just a little bit of screw. Fit right in there, bam, holds it perfect. I drilled 2 holes, installed magnets in here. So that doesn't come with the kit, but you can get magnets anywhere. You can get them at Walmart, Target, you can get them almost Home Depot, 99-cent store, wherever. It does come with the 600 cal bullets. It comes with 4 of those. They fully come out. The cylinder fully comes out. That just looks awesome. Fully spins. Again, it spins a little bit better when it's down on its side instead of laying on its front. So there you go. Again, I got this from JensReplicas on Etsy. The instructions were good, and also you can go online and there's YouTube videos on how to put one of these together. Again, it's 3D printed. She prints them to order. Again, she has the small one and this large one. Again, you can opt to have one fully finished. She will sand it and send it to you fully painted and everything put together if you want for that option. It costs a little bit more money, but she does offer that. There's an accessory kit that you can get also for this that she sells. It's independent packages. You can buy the shotgun shells that go in here instead of having the 600 cal bullets. You can get the speed loader. You can get a bunch of just little accessories. Again, those are extra. But if you go and buy from JensReplicas and you go to the coupon code section and you type in YouTube 3, you will get 10% off. That's just awesome. 10% off any one of your purchases. It's fantastic. Love it. Again, if you go on there, you'll probably see Zoe Foster. She was the model that was the test model for this gun. You'll see her pointing the gun like this, and it'll say Hellboy on there. She did a great job for the photo or for the testing of the test shoot. And again, my name is Scott with Shoms Photography, and if you're looking for a nice model kit or a fully finished version, contact Jen at JensReplicas, and she will hook you up. And again, use the coupon code YouTube 3, and that's 3, and that will get you the 10% off. Again, my name is Scott with Shoms Photography, and thank you for watching.